This compact Intel NUC7i7BNH mini PC kit delivers strong everyday performance thanks to its 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor and Turbo Boost capability. Integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics handle 4K Ultra HD playback smoothly and can drive up to 3 4K displays, making it a solid choice for media centers and productivity setups. Support for a fast M.2 solid-state drive alongside a 2.5-inch bay for additional storage lets you combine speed with generous capacity in a very small chassis. Dual-channel memory support up to 32 gigabytes helps keep multitasking responsive even when juggling many browser tabs, virtual machines, or creative applications. The Thunderbolt 3 port with support for high-speed data, modern displays, and fast external drives gives this tiny system impressive connectivity usually found on larger desktops. Front-facing dual microphones and full Windows Digital Assistant support make voice commands and hands-free operations surprisingly convenient on such a small desktop replacement.